Alright guys, welcome to my channel. I make a lot of videos of mechanic work, a lot of videos on tear down components that I take out, like such as this one right here. Alright, you're probably wondering what's this. This is an AC Delco component made by the company AC Delco. The part number is right there, 1572971 GM 8901835. All right, this came out of 2005 Hummer H2. This is called a blend door motor, right? This is what controls the hot air on the driver's side, which is located under the right to the left of the glove box. So if you go down there, there's a cover, you take it right there. It's very easy. All right, I have a video on my channel, you can look it up. But anyways, we're gonna take this part out, throw the box away. This piece is $200, right? Usually these little blend door motors are like 50-60 bucks, but this for some reason is $200, all right? And it's like 198, so you could just say $200. All right, we're gonna take this bad boy apart, see what's in there. Hopefully it's gold. So there's not much in there, right? Like any other car, this thing has a motor and a lot of little gears, and it has a little circuit board down below, which we don't care about. But anyways, and if you turn the motor, you see the gears turning. All right, so then when the motor turns, the gears turn. All right, guys. So that's what happens there. All right, and that's what's inside this little fella. 200 bucks. You're paying for this thing right here. 200 bucks for this piece right here. This is for the GM Hummer H2. It probably fits a lot of other GM cars. And it was not turning, opening, closing the blend door for the AC on the driver's side. But probably the circuit went bad or the motor went bad. Nothing else could go bad in there. But nobody's looking to repair this thing. It's all right. All right, it's done, finished. All right, guys. So if you have a blend door motor problem on the Hummer H2, this is the piece. All right, this is what's inside. All right. So there's not much in there, but anyways, that's what it is. So this is a small little educational video. You guys got to see what's in there. Thank you, subscribe, and bye-bye. See you on the next one.